In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your work and home addresses in the Uber app, a handy feature that will streamline your bookings and ensure your rides start from or end at the right location every time. Having these addresses saved can also improve the accuracy of fare estimates and the overall efficiency of your journey. So, let's jump right in. First, to get started, open your web browser and head over to the Uber Eats website at www.ubereats.com. By using this platform, you're not only accessing Uber's array of services, but also ensuring your account details remain consistent and synced across both Uber and Uber Eats. This step is essential if you often integrate the two services, as they share user profile settings, including addresses. Once you're on the website, look for the landmark icon, which might also appear as an address or location symbol, usually found somewhere in the menu or header area of the page. Clicking on this icon guides you to the entry point for managing your saved places. This is where you'll add new locations or edit existing ones, and it serves as a quick access point whenever you need to update your information based on your current needs or preferences. Now, after clicking the landmark icon, you'll be prompted to add your address. This is where you'll enter the full details of the location you want to save, whether it's your home, work, or any other frequently visited spot. Be sure to input the complete address with as much accuracy as possible. This helps the Uber app give precise directions to drivers and ensures your rides are booked from or drop off at the correct location. You can even label the address clearly as home or work to make future selections even easier. Once you've entered all the relevant details and double-check to make sure everything is correct, it's time to save your entry. To do this, find the Save button, which is usually situated at the bottom or the top corner of the address input window, depending on the user interface. Clicking Save finalizes the addition to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added an address to your Uber account using the Uber Eats platform. Remember, keeping this information updated is crucial as it ensures the app remains helpful and accurate whenever you book a ride. Whether you're heading home from work or ordering a meal to your door, having these addresses saved makes the process smoother and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you configure your account settings more effectively. As always, feel free to reach out if you have additional questions or need further assistance. Happy traveling with Uber!